Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Today I am going to teach you the lesson Listen to the Mountain, Unit 3 Care for the Marrow. Okay. Already we have started this lesson. The lesson was written by Kaveri Nambisan. It was an interesting story. We have started 82 pages and 82 3 um, 82 and 83 we have completed, isn't it? What is the story? Did you remember the story? The story is about how the earth is giving all the natural resources, isn't it? But we are not doing, okay, we are not doing any good to the natural things. Okay, we are very selfless. What is that? We are very selfish and careless manner we are treating the nature. Okay, so in this lesson we have seen so many characters are there. What are the characters? Grandmother, Narayan is the school headmaster, Ramana is the tea shop owner, Srastri Kannan, Rudrappa is the village people, Sagar is the building contractor, and Dixit is the millionaire industrialist. So in the first what we have seen, the grandmother came in the stage and she what is that, she tells about her experiences. Okay, how she was lived in that Dharmagiri village, and then he has a grandson and everything she was telling. And then what happened? Narayan, Sagar, they have conversing each other. Up to that we have seen, isn't it? Now page number 84. Sagar is telling village folk, they are dumb. Tourism, man, tourism. This is a lovely village right in the middle of a valley. This river that flows through your village in the cleanest I have ever seen. So what Sagar was telling, so this is the perfect place to build a 5-star hotel in Dharmagiri. So Sagar is the building contractor. So he was decided to build a, what is that, 5-star hotel in the Dharmagiri. 5-star hotel right on top of Dharmagiri overlooking your village. Fantastic. So Sagar, the building contractor, what he was telling, so if we built a 5-star hotel when on the top of the Dharmagiri, so when we looking at the village, it was a fantastic sight. Who was telling? Sagar is telling. Now it's a conversation between Narayan, Ramanna and Sagar. Okay, Ramana is the tea shop owner, Narayanan is the school headmaster. Okay, now Narayan is replying to Sagar. The only construction we have on Dharmagiri is the temple built 300 years ago. So what Narayan was telling, the school headmaster, what Narayan was telling, the only construction in Dharmagiri was the temple. Okay, was the temple here. It has built 300 years ago. That is the only construction we have here. Ramanna. Now Ramanna was replying. The tea shop owner is replying. The mountain is scared to us. The river which starts there flows down, sustains our crops, our leaves. How can you build a hotel there? So what Ramana was telling, the mountain is scared to us. Okay, the river which starts, they are flowing here, and here the crops are, what is that, planting here. How can you build a hotel here? Who is asking? Ramana was asking. Narayan, this is only a narrow winding path to the top. Your vehicles cannot go up. And what will happen to the houses, including mine, which are along the slope? So Narayan was asking, so this path is a narrow winding path. Narrow winding path means they have very small, what is it? It's not, what is it? Broad, narrow. Some mountains and all you can see on the top of the area you have mountain, they have that narrow path only. Okay, so what Narayan was telling, so the path is very narrow, very small, so your vehicles cannot go up. Okay, you are telling you are going to build a 5-star hotel on the top of the Dharmagiri, but here the way is very small, the vehicles cannot go in that path, okay, freely. And then moreover, it's a slope means it like slanting area, we called it as a slope. Okay, so Ramana was telling, Narayan was telling. Now Sagar was replying. Sagar is the building contractor. He was replying, there is nothing to worry. I can tell you, this hotel is being built by Dixit. So what Sagar was telling, nothing to worry, don't worry. I can tell you, this hotel is going to built by Dixit. Okay, Dixit. Heard of him? Did you heard of him? He is asking. Sagar is asking. The millionaire industrialist from Delhi. So, what is that? Sagar was telling about Dixit. Dixit is the millionaire industrialist from Delhi. Okay, he is a millionaire industrialist from Delhi. He has the okay from the government, and my firm has clinched the deal for building it. Everything has been arranged. I have come to get the work started. So what the building contracted Sagar was telling. So, did you heard about Dixit? Dixit is a millionaire industrialist. He is from Delhi. So, he has everything he said that. Okay, everything he was said that. And what happened? Yeah, we are going to start the work very soon. Who is telling? Sagar is telling. Ramana, agitated. Array, no one in the village has been told about it. The villagers will not like it. I know they will not. So Ramana is the tea shop owner now. He was interacting and he was telling, oh, no one in the village has been told about it. You are going to build a 5-star hotel in the village. The village people don't know the news. The villagers don't like, the village people don't like this. Who is telling? Ramana was telling. I know they will not. Who is telling? Ramana. Sagar. Ignorance, my dear friend, ignorance. The village will not harmed in any way. Can't you see? So what the building contractor was telling? Ignorance. Okay, my dear friend, ignorance. The village will not be harmed in any way. Can't you see? So the village people will not harm anything. When we widen the road, go up the hill, make it a tar road, some houses will naturally be knocked down. We will compensate handsomely. Don't you worry, man. It will be one of the best luxury hotels in the country. Tourists will pour into your village, especially rich one. So now Sagar was telling what he was telling. So don't want to worry about the what is that road and all, because we will what is it, widen the road. We will widen the road, we will put tar, and then some houses will be destroyed only, but we will give them compensate for that. Okay, who is telling? Sagar was telling. And there are so many tourists will come in this place, so that the rich people also come here. If 5-star hotel is here means automatically tourists will come and they will stay here. So it will be a benefit for your village only. Who is telling? Sagar was telling. Now Narayan was replying. Where are the men to build your hotel? Where is the missionary? So, Narayan is the school headmaster. He was asking, where is the men? Where are the men to build your hotel? To build your hotel, where is the missionary? Where is the missionary means, for example, if they are building a house means they need the tools, isn't it? So Narayan was asking, where is the missionary? Where is the missionary? He was asking. Sagar, it is all arranged, man. Dixit does not waste time. He has influence. He can get things moving. Tomorrow, lorries, trucks will arrive with cement, bricks, steel, marble, and other things. We are bringing the laborers, of course, a few hundred. So now the building contractor was saying, so it is all arranged, okay, arrangement. Already we arranged the what is that tools to build the building. Dixit does not waste time. He has influence. He can get things moving. Tomorrow, the lorries and trucks will come here with the cement, bricks, steel, marble, and other things. We are bringing the laborers, of course, a few hundred. So, what happened? What Sagar, the building contractor, was telling? We are going to, what is it? There are few hundred people are going to come and they are going to work here. Okay, who is telling? The building contractor was telling. Now the Ramana was replying, a few hundred? Where will they stay? So Ramana, the tea shop owner, was saying, a few hundred people is going to come and work in this place. Where they will stay? Ramana was asking. Sagar, we will put up temporary dwellings for them at the foot of the hill, some temporary shacks, no problem. So, Sagar, the building contractor was telling, we will arrange one temporary what is that huts like that, so they will stay in that area near the hill. Narayan, you mean you will have slums here? Sagar, shrugging, well, that is why they are used to man. They are live like rats, don't you know? So, what is that? The Sagar was, the building contractor was telling about the workers as rats. Okay, they are living like rats. Okay, so they can stay anywhere. Who is telling? The building contractor was saying. Narayan. Annoyed. Annoyed means irritating. Mr. Sagar, I strongly oppose this plan to build a hotel on Dharmagiri. I wish we, the villagers, had been consulted first. Mr. Dixit should have asked us what we felt about it. So, Narayan was the school headmaster. He is the grandson of the, what is that? That grandmother, isn't it? So Narayan was telling, I am strongly opposing the plan. Okay, what plan? They are going to build the 5-star hotel. I am strongly opposing that. You have tell this matter before itself to the village people, and the villagers had been consulted. First, Mr. Dixit. They have to consult the Mr. Dixit. Should have asked us what we felt about it. Okay, and then Sagar, that building contractor, was replying, don't make me laugh, man. Mr. Dixit, the multi-millionaire owner of 2 dozen cinema houses, 5 luxury hotels, 3 drug companies, and the biggest biscuit factory in India, Mr. Dixit, who owns 5 mansions in different parts of the world. You want him to consult you? Look, man, it is his money, his idea, his effort. You villagers have nothing to do with it. So, the building contractor was telling about the multi-millionaire Mr. Dixit. So, what are the properties he is having? 2 dozen cinema houses, 5 luxury hotels, 3 drug companies, and the biggest biscuit factory in India. And he owns 5 mansions in different parts of the world. why he want to consult you? He is the richest man. Okay, so don't want he don't want to consult you people, the village people. Okay, the village people cannot do anything. They cannot stop anything. Okay, he was telling Ramana, you don't know, as we certainly have something to do with it. So you don't know, as we certainly have something to do. So Ramana was telling, oh, you don't know about our village people, we certainly have something to do with it. Okay, so part, that is scene 2 is completed. Scene 2 is completed. That is, what is that? It's a conversation between Narayan and the building contractor, and then who else? Sagar. Okay, Narayan, building contractor Sagar, and that who else? Ramana. Ramana is the tea shop owner. So the three of them are conversing each other. So Sagar want to build the 5-star hotel in Dharmagiri, but Ramana Narayan was opposing that plan because the village was very simple village. They are not allow them to build the 5-star hotel. So I think scene 2 we have completed. In next class we will complete the scene 3. Okay, until then, if you have any doubt in this chapter, please read out that. It's a beautiful conversation between the characters. So if you learn that, you can able to understand very well. So until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.